aircraft of the United Kingdom, so it's 1:15 in the afternoon. It's going to take a few moments for our flight crew to taxi the aircraft to our parking stand, so please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the overhead signs have been switched off. Once the seatbelt signs have been switched off, this of course is your signal that it's safe for you to leave your seats, but we do ask you at that point to take very great care when you reopen the overhead lockers to prevent something falling out and causing injury. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. If you require any assistance here in Prague, then please reach our ground colleagues and be happy to help. Those customers who have ordered special assistance to leave the aircraft today, please remain seated until the aisle around you is clear and our crew will be on hand to assist you personally. So on behalf of British Airways, but most particularly your crew on board today, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us. We very much enjoyed looking after you on this flight from London Heathrow, and we hope that we'll have the opportunity to see you again very soon. If you're visiting Prague, wish you a very enjoyable stay, and if you're returning home, welcome home. Wherever your final destination, wish you a very safe and pleasant onward journey. Thank you now, and a very good afternoon to you all.